Hi guys, welcome back to my survey world. It's your favorite surveyor Tessie Chukwujeku. So in my last video I taught you how to create spot height, and I said I was going to teach you on my next video how to create a 3D wireframe. Okay, so if you look at this window or this screen, you can see the previous videos and tutorials we did. You can see the contour lines, you can see the spot height. So now this is the contour lines, and now this is the spot height. Okay, so today we're going to look at how to create a 3D wireframe. Now, to be able to do this, you needed to have created a grid data. Okay, and we created grid data on our very first video, which was on contour lines. So, and if you remember correctly, I said that, and you saw it for those that followed and have watched that very video, we created a grid data and saved on the desktop. Now, if you are just coming in, if this is the first of my videos you're seeing, you'll have to go back to 2 videos back for you to understand what we're doing today. You have to check the video on how we created spot height and the video on how we created contour lines, so that you understand how we arrived to this point. Okay, so now please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that they will alert you as soon as I upload new videos. Okay, so thank you so much for doing that, and for my returning viewers, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for your time. So let's get into it. Now we don't need this, so I'll just turn it off. I'll go to table of contents and turn it off. Okay, so to create our 3D wireframe, we go to the menu bar. Okay, you see 3D surface, so you click on the drop down arrow, you see 3D wireframe, you click on it. Now it opens up a window for you to navigate to where you have your grid data. Okay, so remember we saved our grid data on the desktop, so I'll just scroll down. This is it. I've selected, and then I'll click open. So the moment you click open, it plots out your 3D wireframe. Okay, so you can see your 3D wireframe. Let's zoom in. Okay, you can see it. You can see the axis. Okay, you can see them. You see your X, Y, and Z axis. Okay, so now this is your 3D wireframe. You can check out the settings. Okay, the plot settings. How to do that, just like we did in previous videos. Just click in the middle. Okay, and it pops out a window with tabs. So let's look at the settings and see if we are okay with them. So you go to general, it says show upper surface here, remove hidden lines here. So looking at this, you can see there's no settings I would like to change here. So we'll go to the next tab. Okay, no, nothing here for me to change. To layer, no, and then to info. So that's about it for 3D wireframe. So you can check the axis. You click on the axis if there's any settings you want to check. Okay, let's go to grid lines. Now let's see what this means. It says show grid lines, show major grid lines. Click. Okay, no, we don't need that. We take it off. Then for line properties, let's see. Okay, the settings are good. Minor the grid lines. No, we don't need that. So that's it. Then for ticks, let's see. Okay, I think they are all in order. Scaling, okay, in order as well. If you don't like the major interval, you can change it. It's on 20, so I will leave it at that. So, and that's about it. So this is it, guys. This is how to create your 3D wireframe. Okay, so this is your 3D wireframe. So after doing this, the next thing is to, for me, like I always say, I always like to export to AutoCAD. So I'll go to File, click on Export, and then I'll navigate to where I want to export it to, or the folder you want. For you navigate to the folder you want to export to. For me, I'm exporting to my desktop. So getting to my desktop, I'll just type Raspberry 3D wireframe. So that's it. Remember, save as type. You click on the drop down arrow, you see the list, you look for AutoCAD format, which is DXF. So this is a DXF AutoCAD. You select it, you click on save and wait for the window for options. Okay, now we go to DXF options. For file compatibility, always select the last or the latest, which is AutoCAD 2007. Okay, or later, you select that, then click OK. Wait for it to export, patiently wait. Now it's done exporting. So let's go to the desktop. So let's go to the desktop, and this is it here, Raspberry College 3D wireframe. So now let's open it. Now you can see that it says opening an AutoCAD 2007/later. That LT there means later. Okay, now it's done opening. So all you have to do is to choose or click on any zoom tool, and you right click for zoom extents. So I'll click on pan, right click, and I'll click on zoom extents, and then this is my 3D wireframe. So all I have to do now is to finish up by adding my frame and other things I need to add. I can change the color, I can make it white. As you can see, it is white, so I can change it to white. I can do any other further adjustments to it and finish it up. So this is it, guys. It is very simple. It is very simple. So this is it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and please drop your comments, your reactions, your suggestions, your recommendations for me in the comment section. Now if you have some confusion in one of the steps, just let me know down there in the comment section. If you want topics you want me to treat, also drop them down in the comment section. If you have questions, also do the same, drop them in the comment section. And please, if you're a first timer or you've been coming on but you've not subscribed, please do well and subscribe. So thank you so much for your time. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye.